So for this video, I'll be trading with a demo account. I wouldn't use my real account here because it's just a practice session. So I won't be trading with my real account. I'll be trading with a demo account. So let's get into the video. So I'll be trading based on supply and demand levels, and I will show you guys exactly how I trade in the market, guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm saying something here on this pay AEDCNY OTC. So look at this. I see there's a trend line here, and then there's also a demand right here. Okay, so I'll be going in with 3% of my account. Even if it doesn't come in here, I'll go in for a buy on the next candle, and I will tell you guys the reason why I will go in on a buy after I have entered the trade. So in 1 second the candle closes, and yeah, that is it there right there. So I have entered for a buy on this candle, and then let me explain the logic behind this trade, guys. So look at this here. Here is a demand area. Now look at this trend line. You can see the trend line, the price, the market is touching. You can see the trend line here, and then you can hear with me that the market came here, it didn't touch this our demand, but it bounced right to the upside. And then you can see here there's demand right here. Wow, the push it doesn't okay. Okay, going for one again. Okay, wow. There was an uptrend here. There was a gap down right here, which is a signal for the market to push forward or push in the upward direction. And then you can see the trend line here. It intersected with the trend line, and that was this supposed to be a winning trade. But I feel like there are sellers here in this other block right here. There are sellers here that entered the market and made the price to start pushing downward. There are sellers here that entered the market and made the price to start pushing downward. You can see this, guys. Okay, let's look for other setups. But overall, we're in a downtrend. We are not in an uptrend. We're in a downtrend. The overall trend here is a downtrend. But let's keep going, guys. And you'll be trading with like all these ones here are below. We'll be trading with 90% and above. Don't trade any pay below 19%. So we'll be trading pay from 90% and above. So I'll add this, add this, add this, add this, add this, add this. The ones that are up to 92%, 90% and above, I'll be adding them here, but not all. I'll just add a few pairs so it will be easy for me to switch between pairs. You understand me, guys? Okay, now let's start looking for setups. Okay, guys, take a look at this. Is a QM. This is a QM. So let's go to the 3 minutes time to see if we have an engulf. There's no engulf here. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Okay, on the 5 minutes we have an engulf here. So let me mark it. On the 5 minutes there's an engulf on the 5 minutes, but there's none on the 3 minutes. Okay. Network is disturbing. My network is disturbing. Okay, it has been connected back. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame, like 30 seconds down to the 15 seconds, and we'll look for. Okay, here we can see there's a demand here. Okay, this is what made the price to react from this level. So what made the price to react from this level. So let me mark it out to the rectangle. So you can see here, this supply, immediately the price tapped into the supply, it started tracing back to downside. So this trade has already played out here. This QM trade has already played out here. Let me check the 15 minutes also if I'll be able to see any entry. Okay, yes, we have another entry here on 15 minutes. We have another entry here on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, look at this. This just say supply. So sorry guys. So we have, yeah, on the 15 minutes. So let me mark this with red, red, red. Okay, so if the market come in here, I can also go in for a sell. Now I can set, let me set my notification here, so that once the price comes here, it will notify me. Now let's go and look for, okay, let me switch back to the 1 minute. I want to be able to see the spot direction of the market. Okay, the market is in a downtrend, but it's not in a strong downtrend. It's kind of ranging. It's kind of ranging. Okay, guys. Now, why did I take this trade? This is a rally based rally. Rally based. This, okay, you can say share market. This rally. This is a base rally. This is a base rally to the upside. So when the market broke here, you can see it. It continued giving us green candle. So here, that's from the again rally. This is a base and then rally, and then it has broke this level. Supposed to go in for this for 2 minutes because this candle might be a red candle while the next one might be a green, but I hope for this trade to be a winning trade, guys, because of the strong momentum to the upside. I can see here this candle here was we lost it. Let me go in on. So I'm expecting to recover it on this one. Bear in mind, this is a practice session. In my research, I don't normally trade like this. I'm very conservative with management, but because this is a practice session, I just try to show you guys what. Okay, let's let's check some other pairs for end the live for today. Okay, yeah, this is demand area right here. Okay, I'm seeing something now in the market. They say this pair is currently. Okay, now let's zoom right inside this trade. Let's zoom right in. Now we can see this rally played out here again. I'm expecting a green candle here. Why? Because we can see we have a gap down here. You can see that we have a gap down here. So I'm expecting that's rally set up to play out again. Let's see how this one plays out. I don't even understand what's happening in the market here. I think the market is reacting. Maybe there's maybe a supply or demand right here. If we go into the lower time frame, maybe the 15 seconds or the 30 seconds, we'll see that there is either a supply or a demand right here that is pushing the price to the upside. Let me go into the 15 seconds. Let me go into the. I'm seeing something here, but let me go to the 30 seconds. I'm saying it. Let me go into the 5 seconds. Okay, you can see what made the price to react. Look at this. Look at this. There's a demand right here. Consider that what made the price to push up. Then go out to the 1 minute. Okay, this trade have been actually a winning trade. I should have waited for the price to come down a little. We entered with a margin of safety. That's a discount trading, or we didn't. So guys, I'm seeing someone is on the live now. Please just, if you're watching this live, please just send hi in the message. So I'll shout out to you. Send hi. If you're currently watching this live now, send hi. Someone's on the live now. The person likes the live. Just send hi in the chat.